Here we are given f of x is equal to the cube root of x, and we want to find the equation of the tangent line when that x is 125. I'm going to use c here so it's easier for us to use the following formula. L of x is equal to f of c plus f prime of c multiplied by x minus c. So f of x is the same thing as x to the 1/3. So when we take f of 125, that is going to be the cube root of 125, which equals 5. Now let's go ahead and take the derivative. So f prime of x is going to equal 1/3 x to the negative 2/3. So f prime of 125 is then going to equal 1/3 times 1 over 25, which is equal to 1 over 75. Thus, our L of x is going to equal